Hey, yo, what's good? You got the 996? You got the 996 in there? Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Thanks. All right. Yo.
Messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas. WXL 57 at Des Moines. WXL 94 at Bremer County. WXK 84 at Fort Dodge. KXI 98 at Marshalltown. KXI 62 at Montezuma. WXM 91 at Raspin Lake. WNG 730 at Ottumwa. KZZ 51 at Carroll. KZZ 68 at Van Wert. KXI 65 at Lenox. WNG 666 at Iowa Falls. WNG 668 at Denison. WNG 688 at Ringsted. KJY 63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.
Dangerous weather situations,
Just hit the button.
especially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The current time is 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11 a.m. at the Rochester.
All right.
The National Weather Service in Chambers, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, transmissions of the radios will automatically activate the warning hazard. These radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service Office in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If the severe weather threatens the area near normal test time, that's what those
Uh-huh.
warning alarm will activate for fluctuations warning systems affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. This is Weather Radio Station KG676 Clearwater, broadcast serving listeners over parts of southeast Minnesota and
All right. was it. And this test was joined with Wyatt EAS fan. You should go subscribe to his channel, or else I will take your dog. or else I will put the 996 in your ear, and it will not be good. Yes, this was definitely an interesting one. Would you say so?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's the last RWT of the year.
Yeah, last RWT of 2022. Yeah. Yep, and
That'll be it.
yes, that'll be it. That'll be it for this time. Oops, you good?